Should I start a business or a side hustle? Entrepreneurship for beginners, or anyone out there aspiring to really thinking about, should I really go this route or not? Is it worth it? Okay, so what we see from the headlines that Americans are launching millions of businesses despite economic woes. So people are not being stopped by what is being said about the economy. And here you would see people in the US have launched about 5 million businesses last year, which will be actually 2022. So it tells me that people are not sitting down playing dead, people willing to take the risk. Okay, so here's one of the new business owners, Kiana Smith of North Carolina, who started a mobile dog grooming business last year after working for a pet salon. Okay, so here's the trailer that she bought and converted it into a mobile dog grooming station. How about that? And what is being seen is that there are a flood of new businesses since the pandemic, which include a lot of women also and people of color, that is driving this entrepreneurship move. And even as there's an increase of inflation, we're seeing this is also driving more people into forming business and side hustles. So new businesses, side hustle, whatever you want to call it, could only help us in the long term and actually increase our standard of living. Now let me know what you think about this. Listen, it don't stop there. There are things you could do online, digitally, from your talents, your skills, your knowledge, your experience, and still create side income. Now go ahead and read the comments for more information on this.